go, Crocky. You'll be back splashing around with your float in no time.
His what now?
His float. That's what you call a group of crocodiles. Animal groups have all kinds of fun names.
Really? Like what else?
Aha! I'm glad you asked.
Well, geese live in a gaggle and coyotes in a pack, and a group of jellyfish is called a snack. Here's a rookery of seals and an army made of ants. By the seashore you can find a gulp of cormorants, zeal of zebras, hover of crows, lions or prides, as everyone knows. There are quivers of cobras and shivers of sharks, and an exultation is a group of larks.
Wow, she really rehearsed this.
You've got prickles full of porcupines, consortiums of crabs, and a loveliness of ladybugs just looks so fab. A kaleidoscope of butterflies, a scurry full of squirrels, and a float of hippopotami are happy girls. Circus of puffins, gaze of raccoons, stand-up flamingos, troop of baboons. A group of bugs becomes a clash, but rhinoceros can make an even bigger crash. Now, here's the one and only NeverBeast.
NeverBeast?
NeverBeast?
Never mind. Tell you later.
So, kangaroos can form a mob, iguanas are a mess, even friendly ravens are an unkindness. Goldfish are a troubling pandas are embarrassments, but a wise bunch of owls form a parliament. Shrewdness of apes and mischief of rats, business affairs and cauldron of scats. And although it's strange credulity, these wildebeests are an impossibility.
What were hippos again?
Disney's Tinkerbell and the Legend of the NeverBeast. Coming soon to Blu-ray and digital. Rated G.